Hi, it's Natalie from NellieDesign.com. Do you have a secret Santa? You probably do, right? It's really popular amongst families. So today I'm going to help you keep the one you picked a secret with this tag you're going to make to put on your present. It's going to be a special tag, and of course I'll have the SVG file for you.
So first, in Cricut Design Space, first thing you need to do is to upload the image, the SVG file. So you're going to go browse and find it where you previously saved it from Nellie Design's library. And then you're going to insert the image. And first thing you need to do with all my files before you touch anything is to ungroup. So you click on group, and the black circle, you need to set it at perf, meaning perforation. And the red circle that's right beneath it, you're going to attach it with the perforation. The little circle, you're going to set it to wave if you have the wavy blade. If not, it's okay, you can keep it that way. So I'm using all of scrap paper I have. I searched through my Christmas stack and I decided to use all this leftover papers that I had. It's really a good project for that. So in order to save time, I'm assembling different papers on the same mat to really, so I don't have to change the blade too often. It's really a good way to save time that way. And if you want to know a tip when changing the quick swap blade, I don't know if you have trouble with it, but it took me a bit of time to figure out that I need to push on the little button at the top. So you push and then the blade gets right out. And this is another example of how many papers you can put on the same mat to save a bit of time. So now everything is cut. You can clearly see the perforation on the paper, so that's really cool. Now I'm going to use only red paper to finish the tag and make the little decoration on top. Don't forget to set Cricut Design Space to intricate cuts. And when you take it off of the mat, you really wish that all the little pieces stay there. But unfortunately, they don't always do. So you need to take the little tool and take them off. That's totally normal. Now you get to choose which sides to use, because my paper had both sides. So that's cute. And when you're gonna open it, that's what the little circle is for. It's to write the name, because you can't really see the name properly when it's pattern paper. But if you have plain paper, you can also keep it that way, no problem. You just apply a bit of glue on the lace decoration. The glue will, don't worry about it, the glue will dry clear. So now I write the name. Shh, don't tell anyone now. And really take care of putting some glue around the perforation, not inside the perforation marks. And that's it, you have your tag.
So that's it for today. Come back in 2 days for the next project we'll be making. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.